when we do this one. Andy Wang, wonderful. Thank you so much. How are you? Welcome to the live. This is Oliver from Henan Glory company. And if you're interested about like the refinery equipment here, just leave a message here to let us know. And right now, the third one, you can totally see the differences between the third, the fourth one with the first two equipment here. And also check about it. Welcome, Okachville. Welcome to the live. The first two, it is degumming, deacidification. The third one, it is decolorization. And you can check the tank, it is totally different. The tank, it is totally different. You can check the top, especially for the top. It is not like that too. Maybe we can come a little closer. Yeah, I can hold it. You guys can see, it is not very same. This is the first two, degumming and deacidification, and these two, it is totally different with the with that two. So for this one, it is decolorization and deodorization. So for this third one, it is decolorization. Before we do the decolorization, we have to use our vacuum drying system to make sure this tank it is in the vacuum situation, and then we can input about the oils that we want to deal with. Yeah. And first we need to heat the heat transfer oil into the degree of 105 degrees, and then stir for 30 minutes to do the dewatering and in a really quick speed. And then we have to add about the clay inside of the third tank. Welcome, Zoe. Hi, sir. Welcome, Zoe, sir. And I have already sent you about our catalog. If you're interested about this equipment, just leave a message here. We would like to show you more details. And then we add the clay into this tank to do the decolorization. And there are previous customers ask us how many clay we have to add in this tank. And for this question, the answer is 1 to 3% to the oils. And after 30 to 60 minutes, you can done with the decolorization. And then you have to lower down about the temperature. That is not enough. And basically, we will have a leaf filter here. But right now, you guys cannot see about the leaf filter. But when we do it, we will have a leaf filter here, and we are not using about like the plate filter. We are using about the leaf filter. Why we do that? It is because if we use the leaf filter, it is automatically to clean about the filter. We do not need workers to do it, so it is really convenient for the workers to handle about all this equipment. And yeah, let's talk back to this decolorization part. So when we cool down the temperature for this decolorization tank, we will put all the oils into the leaf filter here, so the leaf filters can filter about all the clay here. And after the filter, all the oils will back to this decolorization tank, and so that we can go into the next station. How much is this equipment, Mika Zhang? That is a really good question, because there are so many customers curious about